Before you get up, tell me.
This is the Gotrax Nova Smart Hoverboard. Can it work on grass? Oh! Alright, so we're going to be opening up the Gotrax Nova Smart Hoverboard. So this is actually a smart hoverboard, meaning that when you put your foot on here, it doesn't actually activate. It waits till you put your second foot on here. To turn it on, there's a button. There's a button right here. And it kind of just adjusts itself. Right, here's your battery indicator, your lights. It shows you if you're going forward or backwards. Charge time 5 hours. The motor power is 200 watts. The distance per charge is 3.1 miles, or about 5 kilometers. And the top speed is 6.2 miles per hour. The battery type is 25.2 volts or 2.6 AH. So the hoverboard is not waterproof. Your foot pad 1, 2, maximum weight. It says 80 kilograms, but it will hold but 200 pounds. So you basically get on. It knows to not move unless you put your other foot on. See? And then you just go forward. If you want to go left, you lean. If you want to go the other way, you just press down on, and that's it. You want to go backwards, you just lean back. If you want to go forward, you lean forward. And then you can basically make regular maneuvers like this. So this goes about 6.5 miles per hour. So we're pretty much. So this is the GLX. Oh! Whoa! So not recommended on like uneven surfaces, but it does work. Let's try this again. It's definitely not built for non-smooth surfaces. Can it work on grass? Barely. So
Faster than 50 kilometers.
15.7.
This must be miles. There's no way.
This is miles per hour.
Oh, it is miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you, Alex, it's not kilometers.
I can try it.
You want to try this? Two. Spread your feet further apart so they're straight. You're not straight.
I want to be far away from you because it hurts. Before you get up, tell me. You're doing it by yourself. Yeah. Look at you, by yourself.
That's why you wear pads.
You did, high five.
See? It waits for you to put your other foot on.
And then you spin in circles. You spin in circles.
Oh, oh. Dizzy. Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy.
Why? Wait, just to be honest, we're gonna look. If you step, look.
Yeah, because it knows that it's on there. You don't need to do anything with it. Yeah, grab my hand if you need to. Go, just grab it if you need to. See? You're not, you have to be even. See? Straighten your back. There you go. You have to be confident. See? Look at that, you're turning. Spin around. Spin around completely, 360. There you go. See that? Easy breezy, right?
Yeah. I guess it's hard to go over bumps.
You can't go over bump in this.
I know.
You kind of have to straighten your legs. You're not supposed to be belt because then you get tired. Try getting off. No, try getting off. 1 foot at a time. Just put your foot off. I got you. Lean forward if anything. Go ahead. Just get off. See? Easy, right?
Thank you.
See, you can't really screw up.